Hi, I'm Chun from the Flood Innovation Centre at the University of Hull, and today I'd like to quickly take you through our upcoming Natural Flood Management NFFN online workshop series, jointly organised with the Nature Friendly Farming Network, NFFN. So this programme of workshops is specifically developed to benefit the farming and the landowner community. We're really excited by this opportunity to share the knowledge of our NFM experts and provide a platform for our participants to share their NFM experiences as well. During the workshops, we'll cover topics like the scope of natural flood management, what it means, and how it can benefit the flood resilience and soil quality of your property. We'll also be looking at managing streams and rivers, including approaches to water retention alongside water quality management and its impacts. So we are currently securing speakers from DEFRA and Yorkshire Water to discuss their catchment projects and strategies alongside potential funding streams for NFM, including the Environmental Land Management Scheme, or ELMS for short. We've also introduced the funded support services available directly from the Flood Innovation Centre during the workshop. We've designed this course to be as interactive as possible, including a practical activity alongside networking opportunities and Q&A at every single session, all delivered online of course. So join us on our Natural Flood Management online workshop series and learn about the latest developments in NFM and how they can be applied to your farm and land. For more information, please contact myself or Anton, who is our Business Development Coordinator, at the email addresses in the video description below. Or head on to floodinnovation.co.uk and submit a registration form. We'll be in touch very soon and see you all at the workshop.